Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. It's gonna be a hot second from the time I film this to when you see it, but that's okay. I'm sure nothing has changed in my life except for a lot of things, but I hope you're all well regardless. So I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. I just made some coffee. I got this mug in Durango. It's the most perfect mug for only $10 at the farmer's market, and that's why I love Colorado. So big news is that I'm leaving to go abroad for 3 weeks, which is really exciting. I've never been to Europe, so I'm just stoked but also scared, but also just just more excited. But I have a lot to do, which is why I'm feeling a little anxious. But I wanted to get in like a packed day of eating, especially like when I'm on the road. It can be harder to like get all of my meals in that like are exactly what I would usually want to eat at home. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm gonna do this more vlog style, so I have a lot of things to get done, so you'll probably see me doing a little bit of that. And yeah, otherwise this video is in collab with Green Chef. I'll let you know now. I'll be making a delicious dinner. Stay tuned for that. I always love Green Chef's meals, and I'll tell you obviously more about them later.
Dear beauty queen, with your way so fine, make me realize that I got nothing of mine. The trees have been empty, the streets follow so to that drumming old song.
Eating this bowl of oatmeal and watching YouTube videos as a little break before I start filming a bunch of other stuff. I started packing for my trip. I've gotten back into oatmeal recently since it's like end of summer. I never eat oatmeal in the summer, but now it's like socially acceptable for me to do that. My last video, I did get one comment. These videos are more of like giving you just random recipes that you can work into your day, like not like to copy the whole like day of what I ate, if that makes any sense. Just gonna like answer emails and eat this, and then I have another video to film and just like so much to finish, and like to go drop off my laundry to see if they will do it by tonight hopefully, and we'll see what happens. I just edited another video. I am on top of things. I just thought I'd share a fun little New York, I mean, sure, this probably happens elsewhere, but I noticed that none of my drains pipes were working, like no water would come out, and now look, they fixed it, guys. They fixed it, no worries. Not really sure about, hopefully it'll, I'm gonna wait a second before I consume any water. New York's finest tap water. Can you tell how tired I am today? I did so much today. I almost forgot to film most of it because I have been so busy. You guys know leaving on trips is obviously, I'm so excited and grateful to go somewhere, but it's just always very stressful before you leave, and I had a lot of stuff to do, but I'm really hungry. I'm gonna make delicious orange miso, tofu, and black rice. So I'm gonna make my Green Chef meal. So Green Chef, if you have not heard of them, they are an USDA certified organic meal delivery service. I've been working with them for a while, mainly because I think it's just a really awesome way, especially to dip your toes into being plant-based, try out new recipes. So all of their recipes that I've ever tried are so delicious. I especially love their sauces because they come with like pre-made sauces that are just things that like would take a lot of time and like shopping and ingredients to like make at home. So it's always like very flavorful, which I love, especially if you're like being introduced to veganism. And especially like a night like tonight, I'm so tired. It's just really convenient. I'm gonna make a really delicious meal that I'm so excited to eat. And it's convenient because everything comes pre-packaged for you. Packaging can be recycled. You can return it back to them and they will recycle it for you, which is great that they are actually one of the meal kit services that have that in place. And it's also great on cutting down with food waste because you're not buying things for like a specific recipe and then not knowing how to use the rest of it. They have a wide variety of organic ingredients, which I think is great. It's just really easy too. I would definitely recommend like for beginners, if you're not like super comfortable in the kitchen yet, this is a great way to start because everything's like very easy to follow. Yeah, so if you're interested in trying out Green Chef for a total of $75 off, that's $25 off your first 3 boxes, go to greenchef.us/whereilive75. So definitely recommend checking them out if you haven't tried out their recipes before. I wish I could cook these for you. And they do have a bunch of different meal plans. So they have keto, paleo, balanced living, and then plant powered. Obviously, I am plant powered. Highly recommend checking out plant powered, but they do have other options as well. This one I'm doing is the orange miso, tofu, and black rice. Super easy to follow. Photos, also great if you're not exactly sure what you're doing. So excited to eat this. It's a 2-person serving, but I might just eat the whole thing. We'll see how much I get through. So yeah, I'm just gonna cook in alone, turn on some music, relax for a second, and take you guys along. Yum, yum, yum. The sauce, perfect. I literally finished all of this, but I'm actually so full. It was only like a half portion, so gotta eat the other half before I leave tomorrow for lunch. But seriously, so good. Again, like we were just talking, it's like the sauce has so many layers, which is why it's so good. Like there's just so much flavor. I'm gonna hang out with Rose. Whoa. Is this food? You've got dashi kombu. You've got.
This is her spice box.
You got some white truffle oil.
Oh my god, this is
Literally such a gem. Okay, so well, I'm greasy. I need to shower. This is what my room looks like. I have to pack all of this tonight, so I'm gonna say goodbye. But hopefully you guys enjoyed these recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do some. Yeah. We'll have to leave some serious mopping in.